irony of certifications and standards. Hello and welcome to the series Economy and Society: A Way Forward. We live in a world where authentication comes from standards and certifications. Standards and certifications are meant to provide authenticity of products and services. Certified products and services are of good quality, are consumable, are healthy, are beneficial and trustworthy, and worth for money, and at some times mean innovative and technically advanced, and good for human skin, and no child labor involved, and no living being adversely affected, and no bloodshedding involved, and compensated ethically, and are legal, and so on. Shouldn't these practices be normal practices? Isn't it the way of doing business and providing products and services? Isn't quality and commitment essentials of any dealing? Isn't being ethical equal to being human? The answer is yes. Capital Y, capital E, capital S. Yes. Then why do we need certification and standards to be marked for these? A big question mark. Food should be healthy, free of chemicals, no additives, no conservatives, no colors, gelatin-free, and so on, and should be affordable and readily available. Irony is that the food with these in it does not require any certification, but organic food requires to be certified and is very costly and not readily available. Also is named organic. If we think sensibly, so-called organic food should be called as food, and rest of them should be called as food with gelatin, food with chemicals, food with colors, food with additives. It should be called as chemical food or unorganic food, and this food should require certification to be mentioned for the degree of harmfulness. Cosmetic companies promote and advertise that no animal was hurt or harmed, no allergic product is added, it is herbal, it is natural, it is good for sensitive skin, etc. etc. Aren't cosmetics supposed to be this all? Otherwise, the cosmetic products should require to mention the degree of harm to the animals, degree of allergic chemicals, amount of non-natural, not herbal ingredients added. Shouldn't leather products be not of the animal skins or living being skins? Why we call it Rexin or artificial leather or processed leather? Instead, the leather product suppliers should need to mention that an animal was killed for this product and this living being was hurt to produce this product. Bakery and dairy products mention that no animal was used or hurt and it is vegetarian. Instead, non-vegetarian should require certification and mention that how many animals were used or hurt for this pack of product. Aren't we living in a funny world where food requires certification and standards to be stamped for being organic? Garments require certification to be non-leather. Cosmetics require certifications to be called as herbal or natural. Bakery products and dairy products require certification of vegetarian, and so on with other industries. Think about it. And while rebooting, put these at the registry or in the master file that the better world is built on it. Thank you for your overwhelming response to the series Economy and Society: A Way Forward. Let us together reboot to build a better world. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Feel free to post your thoughts, experiences in the comments. Thank you.